from Atlanta, Georgia, weighing in at 270 pounds, Goldberg!
One of the driving forces behind WCW's success, former WCW champion, a man who absolutely bleeds intensity. Beyond the WCW championship, Goldberg's a two-time United States champion, one-time WCW Tag Team champion, oh, and by the way, a WWE Universal Champion. A man that does not get paid by the hour. Dominance personified. That is Goldberg.
Are these superstars ready? Because if they're not, they're likely to find themselves full of splitters.
From parts unknown, weighing in at 280 pounds, wonderful Wildcat.
As the tables get set, let me remind you that the only way to win this match is to drive your opposition through a table.
That's it. No pinfalls, no submissions, no countouts, no disqualifications. Simply put your opponent through a table. Though I assure you, that's easier said than done.
What does a competitor have to do to succeed in a tables match?
Well, you obviously want to do everything you can do to put your opponent through a table. But of equal importance is playing a good defense. Unlike other environments in a tables match, one wrong move could mean the end of your night.
Beefcake!
with head trimmers.
You better watch out.
I love the barbershop, though. One of my all-time favorite talk shows.
Yeah, I remember when Shawn Michaels threw Marty Jannetty through the window. What a great moment.
Of course you would say that.
And we're underway with what will likely be a wild tables match.
When I looked at the card for tonight, this one definitely stood out as one you don't want to miss.
Elbow drop.
Piercing.
Knife edge chop echoing through the arena. Toss to the outside. Oh, what a clothesline.
Forcefully delivered.
Here we go. Back inside the ring. Uh-oh.
Vicious strike.
Leg drop. What's this?
Slam down hard. Oh, hanging on for dear life.
Oh, alley-oop powerbomb.
That might be it.
He's starting to show signs of fatigue. I don't think he expected to be in this position here.
If he ends up going through a table at any point here tonight, we might be able to look back at this moment as the beginning of the end.
Yeah, but if you count him out now, guys, you'd be making a very big mistake. Mark my words.
This might be it.
Oh, my.
Look out here. Oh, what a backbreaker.
Man, just ugly impact.
Brutus Beefcake can get a little drained out there. Looks to me like he's starting to feel the pressure, guys. Bringing it back between the ropes. Spinning kick to the gut.
Nailed it. Oh, nasty impact.
He's looking banged up here, guys.
And it looks like things are about to get even worse.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Ooh, what impact.
Oh, no, we've got a problem here, guys.
No kidding. Who knows what will happen next?
Beautiful technique.
Looks like Goldberg is starting to fade. It appears his opponent has his number right now.
For somebody who walked into this match with so much confidence, he doesn't look so good right now. And if he's not careful, he's going to find himself put through a table very short.
He's stalking his opponent from the top turnbuckle. Incoming.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
He doesn't want to do this outside the ring. Just a step quicker, it looks like. Byron, he looks like he has no idea where he is.
Yeah, he is definitely on Dream Street, Michael.
Got the reverse.
This just might be enough for him to take the victory here.
Side Russian leg sweep.
Oh, perfect form.
Just breaking down the opponent.
Oh, boy, he is rolling. Brutus Beefcake with a nice reversal.
He wants no part of the outside. Too quick for him there.
Great power. Crashing down.
Samoan drop.
Nobody does it quite like him.
Back between the ropes.
nasty impact.
The reversal by Brutus Beefcake.
Goldberg's looking to finish this.
Oh, boy.
Not good for the back and body.
That's what he was looking for, Michael.
And there's his speed paying off. Back in the ring again. Incoming! Oh, he's able to reverse it.
Harsh impact. Earth-shaking power slam.
He's fading fast. He started this match in great health, but now it seems fatigue has set in.
He has got to do something quick. And you get the feeling that he's not going to look back at this match with great fondness.
Nailed it.
This might be it.
Oh, my.
He's not looking good here. And at this point, how much more does he have to give?
I don't think this is how he envisioned this tables match playing out, guys. At this point, unless something changes, I don't see how he has much of a chance.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. Clothesline! Irish whip!
Oh, what's this gonna be? Uh-oh! Powerbomb!
That should do it.
Beautiful technique.
I'm not sure how much he has left.
That is exactly what Goldberg needed.
When this guy's on, that'll hurt. DDT! They get dangerous out here, especially when they're
Thunderous slam.
And that should put Beefcake out of his misery.
He's firing on all cylinders. This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
And that one grounds him. I didn't realize he had such a glass jaw.
Set it up. Nice neck breaker. Boom.
Back now inside the ring.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Oh, so ruthless. Now that's how you use a table to your advantage.
Double axe handle smash.
Bringing it back between the ropes.
Oof.
Ooh. He is getting absolutely manhandled here. And I'm not sure he even knows where he is.
Powerbomb! Just when you thought he had nothing left. This could be the beginning of the end.
Goldberg down with the jackhammer.
Here's his moment, Michael. Let me tell you, the human body was not meant to be slammed like that.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Momentum clearly in his corner. Brutus Beefcake with a nice reversal.
Ooh, what impact. Boom, what impact. Onto the back of the neck.
Oh, so ruthless. Now that's how you use a table to your advantage.
I don't believe it. And that table can shorten careers, Michael.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Such incredible power on display.
He's bringing it back inside the ring now. You've got to believe this one's over.
On the shoulders here, and it could be a long way down from there. Big slam.
Sit-out jawbreaker.
You can pick up your teeth in the third row.
He has him right where he wants him. This might be it.
Oh, my. This one is over.
Knee drop.
Jeez. A barrage of strikes. Endless.
Oh, boy, he is rolling. Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Boom! Back in from the floor.
Here comes Brutus.
Bringing it back into the ring.
Crashing down.
Samoan drop.
That's what he was looking for, Michael. The pitfalls of gravity, Michael.
Bad move there.
I don't know what made him think that was a good idea.
The reversal by Brutus Beefcake.
Big time atomic drop.
That'll have you walking funny.
Big time slam. Vicious.
Talk about fighting dirty.
He's making a statement here with this attack. At what point do those thoughts creep in of, what do I have to do to put this match to rest? I don't know. I don't know as a WWE superstar if he ever have those thoughts of self-doubt. This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Beautiful technique. What a stomp. Good grief.
Goldberg just barely got out of the way.
Goldberg setting him up. Here it comes, Byron.
We're going to see it. We're going to see it. We're going to see the jackhammer.
Just a crushing blow from Goldberg.
Brutus Beefcake with a nice reversal.
Irish whip. There he goes, crashing to the floor. Irish whip.
Big time impact from way up high.
I don't believe it. And that table can shorten careers, Michael.
Uppercut. Man. Oh, nasty impact.
Woo-wee.
Oh, man, inverted backbreaker. Ow. Nailed it.
You gotta believe this one's over. Uh-oh. Oh, a buckle bomb. The table exploded.
Wow, what a gritty performance. Impressive, but you gotta be careful if you go to the well too often.
He's looking at it. Nope, reverses it. Bam, what a slam.
I don't know how these superstars are doing it right now. They've got to be exhausted.
Brought in the hard way.
Neck breaker. Back now inside the ring. He's out there in no man's land.
He's got to find a way to get to safety, Cole.
I'm not sure he can.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. Back in from the floor. Here we go. Back inside the ring. Clothesline.
I knew it was only a matter of time.
And it's over. What a clothesline. Ouch.
I think this is the beginning of the end, Michael.
And lariat. Can he finish the job? Clothesline.
I'm not sure how much he has left.
And now one more time. Oh!
Oh, what a DDT! Wow. That might have done it, Cole.
Things are not looking very good right now. Gonna have to find a way to regroup.
Oh, what's this gonna be? Uh-oh!
Oh! Through the table!
That's how you put an exclamation point on the end of a match, guys.
Hey, practice makes perfect, right?
Here comes Brutus.
Caught him with a big boot!
On the mark.
What does Brutus Beefcake have to do at this point to stay in this match? He came into this match looking for a fight, and it looks like he found one.
Well, it would be unrealistic to expect him to not at least take some offense here. The good news for him is that he still appears to be in a better place than his opponent. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Irish whip. Ooh, lariat.
Down he goes.
That'll do it every time.
What a strike. Tapped into an energy source, and he's going strong.
Boom, what impact.
Ooh, he goes down hard.
Yeah, he's definitely starting to fade now.
Goldberg doing a great job turning that around.
Oh, so ruthless. Now that's how you use a table to your advantage.
This could be it. Swinging neckbreaker connects. The intensity of this match.
Oh, so ruthless. Now that's how you use a table to your advantage.
At some point, the referee may want to think about stopping this one before somebody gets seriously injured.
A striking blow. Bang!
Not today.
Hooked up. And
A high-risk maneuver in the works from that.
oh, what a slam! That hurt!
Game, set, match. This one is over.
That slam just brought this entire arena to its feet.
He's on his heels. He needs to find a way to get on the offensive, guys.
The bottom line here is that despite what's going on right now, he's still in much more favorable health than his opponent.
When this guy's on, look out.
Tapped into an energy source, and he's going strong.
And what a reversal from Goldberg.
And it's reversed. Great power. Well, that'll do some serious damage. Oh, no. Inverted atomic drop.
I don't believe it. And that table can shorten careers, Michael.
He has something big planned. Oh, atomic drop!
This does not look good for Brutus Beefcake.
Brutus Beefcake being pressed hard. Brutus Beefcake seems helpless.
Knocked off his feet. Now that's a takedown.
Nice job getting out of the way of that one. Big punch finds its mark. What a stomp! Good grief! Oh, what impact! And there it is, boys.
I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical.
Oh, so ruthless. Now that's how you use a table to your advantage. Harsh impact.
Uh-oh. Oh, buckle bomb! The table is
table.
Loaded.
We may be looking at our winner here, guys.
Did you see the impact on that? Wow.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
This is getting out of control. Goldberg has seen better days.
Clothesline! No, he reverses it. You're not going to win many matches absorbing punishment like that.
And look, it hung up on the second. Nailed it.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
You gotta believe this one's over.
Woo-wee. Set it up.
Oh, that'll mess up your neck. Man.
Quick thinking to avoid that one. What a strike. He wants no part of the outside. And he's heading back in. This might be it.
Oh my.
Oh, what impact.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Oh, he's got him up high. Shades of JBL with a fallaway slam.
Harsh impact. That has got to be it.
He wants no part of the outside. He's bringing it back inside the ring now.
Oh, so ruthless.
Now that's how you use a table to your advantage.
It might be cliche, but it's true here. It ain't over till it's over.
When this guy's on, look out.
Great power. Yeah, right to the back.
And there it is, boys. This could be the beginning of the end.
Goldberg down with the jackhammer. This one's over, guys. Your whole body hurts after a move like that.
Oh, what a slam. Taking quite a beating here. This could be the end of him at any moment right now.
Let's not write him off yet. Remember, his opponent isn't necessarily whistling Dixie either.
He's looking a little wobbly here, guys.
Michael, his legs look like they're about to give out on him.
These competitors are walking on dangerous ground right now. Oh, man, what a hit.
Knocked right off the apron.
He doesn't want to do this outside the ring. Here it is. Not so fast. Oh, he turns it around. What a clothesline! Ouch! Backbreaker! This is what makes him one of the best in the business. Watch out here. He's in control. Now with complete control. What's he got in mind? Goldberg doing a great job of turning that around. Oof!
With a face buster.
But if anybody could come back from this, it has got to be Goldberg. Oh boy, he is rolling. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Ooh, what a jawbreaker.
He's making a statement here with this attack. Dodges that one. Takes him down hard.
You gotta love that kind of aggression.
Nope, reverses it. Now he's working that exploit. Here he goes. Wild driver.
If that doesn't end it, I don't know what will.
Looking for the finish. Momentum clearly in his corner.
Thunderous slam.
Here's his moment, Michael.
Here is your winner, Wonderful Wildcat.
That's a big win, although there was a moment there where I thought it was going to go the other way.
This guy looks like he's ready to tear through the entire locker room, and I wouldn't put it past him.
Matches like that are the reason why I love this job so much.